In a village where rain falls relentlessly, a group of children gather under their umbrellas, huddled together, seeking shelter from the perpetual downpour. A wise elder, with a long white beard and sparkling eyes, speaks to the group of children. His voice carries wisdom that resonates with their young minds. Some children scoff and roll their eyes at the old man's words, their skepticism as palpable as the rain pouring down upon them. Despite the disbelief of a few, a group of children, their faces etched with determination, link hands, forming a circle as they prepare to make their united wish. The rain persists, drenching their tiny forms as the children close their eyes, their minds focused solely on their shared desire for the rain to stop. Suddenly, as if touched by an unseen force, the dark clouds overhead begin to disperse, revealing glimpses of a long-forgotten blue sky. Sunlight breaks through the parting clouds, casting rays of warmth and hope upon the upturned faces of the children who dared to believe. With jubilant cheers, the children abandon their umbrellas and leap and dance, their joy as buoyant as the rays of sunlight gracing their delighted faces. Emboldened by their triumph over the rain, the children once again form a circle, their hands clasped tightly, their eyes shining with a renewed sense of purpose and unity. Standing amidst a backdrop of clear skies, the resolute children, filled with hope and determination, prepare to face any challenge that may come their way. As they set out on their shared journey, the children's faces radiate with a deep sense of camaraderie, their combined strength a guiding light in the face of uncertainty. The once rain-soaked village now basks in the warm glow of sunlight, its streets and people drenched in the gift of a new beginning, the rain but a distant memory.